Good afternoon, TK, and welcome to today's sight word practice. So this week we are only learning one new sight word, and the reason that I decided to only teach one new sight word this week is because one, it is the last week of school, so I wanted to give you guys a little break, and two, the word that we're learning is a little bit more complicated than some of the other words that we've looked at so far. So the word for is usually considered like a level 3 sight word. So all of these are like level 1 and 2. So I know that some of you might have had a little bit more difficult time kind of blending these sounds together, because if you look at these letters all together, they look a little silly. But all you do have to do, is blend the f, the o, and the r. So f, o, for, right? And you guys have already learned this word because you have already watched Jack Hartman's sight word video all about the word for. So for today, we're just going to be doing a practice of all of the sight words that we have learned so far in the last few weeks, and we're going to be reading through them together. Okay, so let's begin. You should already have a lot of practice over these first few words, because these are the ones that we did from the very beginning and we've been reviewing every single week. So if you are still having a little bit more difficulty reading these last few, that's because those are the ones that you have had the least amount of practice in, and that's okay. But as long as you are making flashcards at home and you are watching this video to practice memorizing these words, that's all you have to do. Okay, so let's begin. So we will start with A. I can go to, the, is, it, we, and, in, for. Okay, so let's try that one more time. A, I can go to, the, is, it, we, and, in, for. Good. Now we're going to do one more thing, and we're going to say the name of the word, the spelling, and then we're going to say the word one more time right after it. That way we kind of get a little bit more practice of how we spell those words in our head, and we're saying them out loud. Here we go. A says A. A. Good. I says I. I. Next one. All of you should know this. Can. C-A-N. Can. Good. Next one. Go. G-O. Go. Very good. To. T-O. To. The. T-H-E. The. Is. I-S. Is. It. I-T. It. We. W-E. We. And. A-N-D. And. In. I-N. In. For. F-O-R. For. Very good, TK. So I'm so happy that we were able to practice our sight words together today. We will be practicing our sight words a couple more times this week, so you will be seeing this video more than once. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time.